Hi, so I just wanted to do some short reviews of some Colorpop products I recently bought. I've never made videos or reviews before, so they're just going to be kind of brief and simple. Alright, so I'll start off with this Colorpop No Filter Foundation. I bought it during the Black Friday sale this year. Um, I actually got, I think it was the fifth to lightest color, and they do have a lot of colors to choose from. I noticed that they're very inclusive with all skin tones. Right now it's winter, so I'm a little paler than I usually would be. I'm half Mexican, so normally I'd be a little darker like in the summers, and I'd probably want a darker tone. But I did choose something kind of lighter since I'm very fair right now. And I have some yellow undertones, which is why I picked this particular shade, light 45. But I have some complaints about it. First of all, it's very liquidy, and I'm actually already wearing it, but I didn't really like it, so I had to put on a different type of foundation on top. So like I just put one dot, and look how much it's spread all over my whole hand. It's super liquidy. Also, I mean, it blends in pretty well, but it's very light. It's lighter than I expected. And when it said yellow undertones, I didn't expect it to be this yellow, to be honest. But I mean, if you work at it for a while, it does blend in. But you can probably tell it looks pretty light um, compared to the rest of my arm. This part looks a lot lighter. So that's just, it kind of bothered me a little bit at first. That might help a little bit to see it kind of like globbed on. And I don't know if I would get this particular one again. Um, like I said, blendability, yes, but it's just so liquid, and I would probably have to get a darker shade if I was gonna get it again. Um, but I mean, for the price I got it for, the price, you can't beat that. It's very good. It competes with drugstore prices for sure. And I had some like lipstick on my arm earlier from some swatches, and you can't really see it anymore. So it does a good job of like covering up blemishes, that kind of thing, which is why I put it on and then put on a darker color on top. Um, but yeah, so if you're looking into Colorpop products, I had never used a face product from them before, then this is a good option, I would think, for like a starter product, especially if they're on sale like it was when I bought it. And I would probably compare it to maybe like a CoverGirl foundation, kind of. If you've tried that before, they have a pretty good anti-blemish one, which is usually the one that I would use in the summertime when it's more oily. But so that's that, and here's what it looks like again. And this is my first series of videos, so let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Bye, guys.